3 important Labrador training tips. Labrador Retrievers are one of the most popular dog breeds in the world, known for their friendly and gentle nature, intelligence, and versatility. Training your Labrador Retriever is essential to ensure that they are well-behaved, obedient, and happy. In this video, we will discuss 3 important Labrador training tips that every owner should know. Start training early. The first important Labrador training tip is to start training early. It is crucial to begin training your Labrador as soon as possible, ideally when they are still a puppy. Puppies have a critical period of development between 3 to 12 weeks old, where they are most receptive to learning and socialization. This is the ideal time to begin training your puppy, as they are more likely to retain information and develop positive habits. By starting training early, you can establish good habits and behaviors that will last throughout your dog's life. You can begin with basic obedience training such as sit, stay, come, and walking on a leash. Positive reinforcement techniques such as treats, praise, and playtime can be used to encourage good behavior and create a positive learning environment. Consistency is key. The second important Labrador training tip is to be consistent. Consistency is critical in dog training, as it helps your dog to understand what is expected of them. This means using the same commands, rewards, and corrections consistently throughout the training process. For example, if you want your dog to sit, always use the same command, such as sit. Use the same tone of voice and body language every time you give the command. Similarly, if you use treats to reward good behavior, always use the same type of treat and give it in the same way. Consistency also means being patient and persistent. It can take time for your dog to learn a new behavior or command, so it's important to be patient and keep working with them. Consistency helps to create a predictable and stable environment for your dog, which can reduce anxiety and make training more effective. Use positive reinforcement techniques. The third important Labrador training tip is to use positive reinforcement techniques. Positive reinforcement means rewarding good behavior with treats, praise, and playtime. This is a powerful training technique, as it encourages your dog to repeat good behavior in order to receive rewards. Positive reinforcement techniques are effective because they create a positive association between the desired behavior and the reward. Your dog learns that when they perform the desired behavior, they will receive a reward, which encourages them to continue that behavior. Positive reinforcement techniques are also important because they create a positive and rewarding training environment. Your dog will be more motivated to learn and to participate in training sessions if they associate them with positive experiences. It's important to note that positive reinforcement techniques should be used in conjunction with correction techniques. Corrections are used to redirect unwanted behavior and should always be done in a calm and controlled manner. Physical punishment or yelling should never be used, as this can cause fear and aggression in your dog. In conclusion, Labrador training requires a combination of patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement techniques. Starting training early, being consistent, and using positive reinforcement techniques are 3 important Labrador training tips that every owner should know. By following these tips, you can create a positive and rewarding training environment for your Labrador and help them to develop good habits and behaviors that will last a lifetime. Remember to always be patient, persistent, and kind in your training approach, and your Labrador will be a well-behaved and happy companion.